the wheel spacers work on your Mercedes GLC-Class. GLC-Class wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality GLC-Class wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. We have assembly all the suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with both GLC-Class wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory with the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and theory test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm. The BONOSS Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the tread spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will default in endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged actively Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers are designed with heat restriction screws to make brake cooling better. Distribute into the shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Also, the BONOSS Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.